Hi everyone, we're in Paris, Ontario, population of 13,000 people. We're standing on the bridge at the Grand River.
Yeah, and you know something, Paris, Ontario is probably about, I'd say, about an hour and a half from the GTA area. Gorgeous place, so you know something, let's get this party started. Let's do this. Okay, so just before we start this video, there's a couple things we're gonna do actually. We're doing something very interesting today, okay? We're gonna go down the Grand River, which is right behind me here, okay? See this Grand River? We're gonna go rafting down the Grand River, so stay tuned and watch that. But you know, so I just want to point out the back end of all these historic buildings right here, right on the river. Look how cool that is. So we're gonna walk down the main strip here. We're gonna go down a raft, right, Carrie? And we're gonna have some fun. So stay tuned to Paris, Ontario. Let's go rafting first. Let's do that. Let's go to the raft. Oh yeah!
Here we go!
Oh yeah! So we start off in the bus here at Paris, and we're heading 11 kilometers upriver. Now I'm just hoping that the
Then you're gonna head 11 kilometers down to here.
Oh, okay. So we're going, yeah, up the river, and then so I'm just hoping the audio is good on this GoPro, guys. Don't worry, we'll capture some good Canon footage later. So, anyways, let's go whitewater rafting. Okay, everybody, we're on the Grand River. We got 11 kilometers of traveling down this river. We got some crazy friends here. We got Carrie over there. Carrie, say hi. Look, she's over there somewhere. Okay, so what's gonna happen? We're gonna go down this river. I'm going backwards right now. How you turn yourself around, this stupid thing?
It's a paddle!
Oh, let me move around. Okay. Okay, so you see the Grand River, okay? So pretty much we're going to be ending up in Paris, Ontario, where we will have a brewski, a pint right on the patio, and hey Jimmy, you bring a fishing rod? Gotta catch some trout, man. What are you doing over there? Ah, forget about the kids. Look at these guys. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, 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 fishy. What are you doing?
This way! Oh my gosh, where's that?
Woo! Now we're moving. So yeah, so far it's fun. This little river run, it's awesome. A little bit of rapids, nothing crazy. I would say for the amateur, this is a perfect river to go down. It's fun though. Like, I'm an amateur. I'm actually afraid of deep water. The average depth to this river's, the deepest part is about 6 feet. So it's not that deep, but majority of the time we're at about 1 foot to 2 feet of water. So yeah, it's great. If you're an amateur like me, and you just want to just stream down a river, this is the best river to do it. It's so nice and calm in most areas. A little bit of rapids to add some excitement. But everybody's having a great time here in Paris, Ontario, guys. Come on down. The Grand River. Carrie, you enjoying the water here? It's too relaxing.
Gotta be paddling.
Okay, we gotta go get off soon and go venture off through Paris, Ontario still.
Yeah.
I think we're like 3/4 done. Okay, we've reached our exit point. We're gonna exit now, but that was fun. I would say about 2.5 to 3 hours going down the Grand River here from Paris. We went north. So, Grand River rafting. Give them a contact, guys. This is awesome. And again, you don't have to be a professional. I'm no pro. So, and just to give you a little history, these columns here that you see here was supposed to be for a train back in World War II, but they didn't finish the train bridge. So, but they still kept the columns here. Well, beautiful stonework you see here. But anyways, that's our exit point right there. So, we're gonna get off, head on down to Paris, Ontario. I'll show you guys around there. Talk to you soon. Loving the little strip here. It's a very, like maybe 1 block strip of a downtown Paris. Gorgeous. They had a lot of historic buildings. Again, like I say, it's got its own little character, this place. A lot of great restaurants, what I see, historic buildings. Let's go have a craft beer. I think we're gonna be hitting Stillwater, so let's go check it out. So, Carrie, you know something? The place we were gonna go to and grab a pint and all that, they're closed because they had a little bit of an incident there. They had a fire, so their Stillwater's is closed. Looks like a really nice place to go to, though. A lot of things is a Sunday, so obviously we spent most of the time on the river today. So we're gonna end this video. You know, Paris is small, and it's a very small little place, and it looks so cute. So I recommend coming out, grabbing a raft, go down the Grand River, come for lunch, It's like just over almost 4 o'clock right now on a Sunday, so pretty much everything is just winding down. So anyways, guys, so as we always say, subscribe to the channel. You have your chance to winning a barn door and also getting a photo shoot with Carrie. And that's about it. So to our next location next week. Hope you guys have a great one. Right here.
Yeah.
Say bye to everybody.
Bye,
I hope you enjoyed us in the water at least. Love you. Talk to you later.